Hello guys, what's up? So guys, today's video is about an issue which generally aspirants encounter after they cross the age of 26, 27 and they still want to go for IAS, but they have some other occupations also. So today we will deal with that, and the topic for today's video is, if you are 28 plus, can you qualify IAS? Okay, so guys, if you are 28 plus, whether you are male or female, it doesn't matter. If you are 28 plus and you haven't prepared for IAS as yet, or for any state services as yet, so if you are now thinking to prepare for it, can you qualify it? It is a very important question. Generally, this is the age when males and females are going to get married, thinking of getting married. Their families are thinking of getting them married, and probably they are doing some job also, probably some other issue also. So the thing is, whether you can still think of IAS or not. Yes, you can think of it, and you can qualify it as well, but provided certain things. What are those things? We will discuss those things in today's video. So guys, the first thing is this, that this is a fact that the preparation for IAS mains and prelims needs at least 1 year. So if you start at 28 or if you start at 29, your preparation will be over by the age of 29 or 30, right? Solid preparation. When I say 1 year preparation is required, it means solid preparation is required, and on daily basis. It is not so that you can take leaves. On daily basis you have to prepare. So if you prepare on daily basis for 1 year, definitely your mains and prelims will be cleared. Okay, provided you have the right strategy, right material. Okay, so, and the right hard work too. Okay, so guys, the age limit for IAS is 32. So you have at least 3 attempts left. Okay, so you give your first attempt after you start your studies within 6 months. Okay, you start your studies, oh sorry, I'm sorry, you have prepared for 1 year. Now you will write prelims for studying about two or 3 months. Okay, so 1 year plus 2 or 3 months, you write the prelims. Then your result will come, and probably it will be passed, and then you will write the mains, and probably it will be passed. So it will complete your about 1 year plus 7-8 months, or 9-10 months. Okay, so in all conditions, if you have done the right hard work, with right determination, with right strategy, with right guidance, you will not fail in prelims, and you will not fail in mains also. Okay, then you will write give your interview, and you will get through. Okay, now by the age of 30 you can clear IAS. Suppose in your first attempt you are not able to clear the mains or interview, then you will write your second attempt by the age of 31. I am supposing here that you are starting at the age of 28, you are starting preparing, not 27. Okay, so you will write another attempt at the age of 31, and you will write your third attempt at the age of 32. So you can write 3 attempts. Okay, so you can write 3 attempts easily, and generally it is seen that in the second attempt people generally do clear it if they have done the hard work. Okay, so there is nothing to worry about. You can go to UPSC website and check the age limit. Although I agree that most of the people clear IAS and IPS when they are young, that is when they are in the age bracket of 21 to 24 years. But it is not so that if you have crossed 27 years you cannot qualify IAS. Okay, nothing like that. You can definitely qualify it, but again I will say hard work is definitely required, right strategy is definitely required, right guidance is definitely required, right discipline is definitely required. Okay, provided all these things are done, you will definitely come out with flying colors and will be able to pass the examination. Nothing to worry about. Even when you are doing your job, you can prepare for IAS, right? How? Because when you will come after the job, you can start preparing for at least 5-6 hours, and when you will give 5-6 daily hours, and if you can take leave when your exams are there, definitely you can again qualify it, provided when you come home and prepare for 5-6 hours, that preparation is solid. Okay, so I will make another video how to prepare for IAS with while you are doing job. Okay, for now, thanks a lot, thanks for watching.